Hi, today I'm gonna show how to solve the Legend of Zelda Hyrule Crest puzzle by Hanayama. This puzzle has the same principle as the different puzzle by Hanayama, which is called Cast Heart. You can find all these puzzles at the Puzzle Master, the link will be in the video description. The aim of this puzzle is to remove the Triforce, this triangle. If we'll try to pull it, it doesn't come out. Here we can find two small triangles, two small Triforces. First we need to take the chain from the one side, it doesn't matter which one, we'll take the right one. Pull it a little bit. Make the loop and put this loop into the hole. If we take the right side, we'll put it into the right hole. Like this. Now we should put this loop onto the Triforce, the small Triforce on the right side. Now we pull this loop back again. Now we need to make the same on the left side. Put the loop into the hole. Put the left Triforce into the loop and pull it out. And now the puzzle is solved. This puzzle was made by Hanayama and Nintendo. Let's assemble it. Put the chain into the Triforce. And now we should put this chain into the hole. Now we should put this chain to the side hole. We'll start from the left side. Make sure it's not tangled. And put this chain onto the Triforce. Now pull it out. And from the one side, the puzzle is already tangled. Do the same from the other side. Put the chain to the hole. And put it on the small Triforce. Like this. Pull it out. And the puzzle is already assembled. Subscribe my channel to see the solution of the Triforce puzzle.